There's a bit of chocolate. Good morning everyone, hello, how are you? Okay, so today I thought we would, and it's morning here, I thought I would do a video completely barefaced, it's might look a bit rough, on my kit. This is what I carry, and it's right here in front of me. It's in a big, I'll get a close-up of it so you can have a look. Okay, so this is my box. Something I thought I'd never say. So this is what it looks like, and it closes up as well, but it weighs a ton, but I can just put it in the boot. So that's kind of what it looks like. I'm sorry about the Blair Witch angle, but it's on a tripod and I'm kind of holding it. But you can kind of, let me see if I can place this. Let's place it at an angle. Right, so they just open up and there's product in there. So that's the eyebrows, and let's just do lip liners, which you can't see, highlighters, blushes. So it's all here, and it all just gets kind of locked away into that, and then you flip the lid and it closes and you just stick it in the boot of the car. And that's my brushes at the top. Beautiful. And that's my hairdryer. And that's my airbrush. And this is where I film. So that's all the other stuff as well. Okay. But I thought I'd go through exactly what's in there, because compared to most people's kits, it's very, very small. So I'm going to go through the first section and show you all the things inside. Okay, mascara. So it's even got it written on here, mascara. So these are the mascaras that I carry. And because I work with private clients, I give them the mascara because I can't reuse it, and then I just replenish it. So we've got the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the version 2 of Legendary Lashes, which doesn't sort of smudge or anything like that. I've got lash builders in here, which are fibers. There is a very, very small mascara for the lower lashes by DHC, which is really, really nice. Then there's the Charlotte Tilbury at the bottom, which is the her original mascara. There's a heated mascara wand. So that's mascaras. This is cream eyeshadows and liners. So here they are. So we've got Natasha Denona here. These are the sparkle ones. And then we've got some Bobbi Brown, just your standard gel eyeliners. And there is 5 of those in total. So that's pretty much it. When it comes to cream eyeshadows, I prefer a pencil because I like them to be long lasting. So this is Charlotte Tilbury's, and there's all of them. So I can kind of pick and choose and add a base if I really, really want to. Eyeliners is a combination of, ones. So we've got Makeup Forever, MAC, Charlotte Tilbury, Tom Ford, that kind of stuff. So when it comes to eyebrows, this is the eyebrow pencil section. So everything in here is Anastasia Beverly Hills. So the highlighters, the pencils, all of them are in here, and they all fit, which is nice. This is the eyebrow kind of gels. So we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we've also got Charlotte Tilbury as well, because they're really, really nice. So this is gel brows, all Anastasia Beverly Hills, and these double up as cream eyeshadows as well. So I really like it for that. So lip liners, Charlotte Tilbury, Alexis Vogel, MAC, and Kevin O'Quarr. So that's all of my lip liners, a lot of lip liners, way more than you need, but there you go. Lip glosses, this palette here, or this little one, contains Alexis Vogel, because I love her lip glosses. They're ultra glossy and shiny. And then Tom Ford ones as well. And my favorite Tom Ford shade of all time is this one here. And it's called, are you going to focus? It's called Pink Gilt. And it is absolutely perfect. And then there's another drawer here of lip glosses, Charlotte Tilbury, and of course, we've got lip toppers from Chouet. And in the final one, this is the bottom, this is sponges. So these get washed and cleaned out and then put back. Okay, so in the larger drawers, the first one is eyelashes. So we've got eyelash curlers in here, glue, individuals and a box of lashes as well. Not a massive fan of fake lashes because I find them quite hard to put on. Even on other people, I just struggle with it. This is lips, so lip palette. This is a Jelly Belly palette that I've eaten all the things and then just put in. Lipsticks, sharpener, Lexus Vogel lips. So you put these on first and then you draw your lip and then fill it in. And the Charlotte Tilbury liquid lipsticks as well, which are really, really nice. So that's lips. Eyeshadows. So all Charlotte Tilbury, apart from this, which is Natasha Denona, the blackest black. So always need a black eyeshadow. So with this, I can do pretty much everything. There's some bigger palettes and some lid primers as well. This is the highlighter drawer. So this is all highlighters. So we have got Artist Couture highlighters, Charlotte Tilbury, which is the liquid. These are all Jane Iredale and these are all Alexis Vogel. So they're all just loose highlighters, so all of them. But they're all really, really nice and they can double up as eyeshadows and other bits and bobs. Blushes. So we've got a lot of blushes in here. So we have the Milani Baked blushes, which are really inexpensive and absolutely great. Hourglass Ambient Lighting blushes, because they are just stunning. We've also got Charlotte Tilbury's Beach Sticks, which I really, really like. I think they're so nice. And also the Charlotte Tilbury Your Standard blushes. So there you go. Beautiful. Bronzers. A lot of bronzers in here, way more than you need, but I use these as eyeshadows in transition colours. So we've got your Charlotte Tilbury, we've got your Hourglass Ambient bronzers, we've got Bobbi Brown, which is the standard bronzers, because these are just so good, and they're completely matte, which I love. And also we've got the Tom Ford for contouring as well. So that all fits in there, and then there's one more box. And that's the final box, and this contains, so you've got some skincare in here, we've got powders, so Yves Saint Laurent, this is for brightening. There is concealers, so we've got correctors by Bobbi Brown, we've got concealers by Trish McAvoy. There's also, let me pop it here, pressed powder, Charlotte Tilbury, loose powder, RCMA and Born This Way, because that's really, really good. And other concealers are NARS and Charlotte Tilbury. And right at the bottom of here that you can't see is a really big RCMA palette, and that fits right at the bottom. And that's it. All liquid eyeshadows, liquid foundations, they come in little 5ml bottles that I decant everything. I posted some pictures on Instagram a while ago. So you just buy them from Amazon, so 5ml. You can carry a huge amount with you if you really need it. And that's pretty much it. I don't need anything more. I'm never going to be using bright yellow eyeshadow or anything like that, so I don't need those colors. But this is my kit, and then I can close it up and just pop it in the boot of the car. And that's it, because now I can drive, whereas before I couldn't, so I'd have to take everything on a bus or a train. There you go. That's it, all done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.